Hey, Matthew Aaron here. Real quick, I just wanted to show you guys how simple and easy it is to generate leads on Facebook for free. I just wanted to show you basically how you can use your Create Wealth from Nothing system and how simple it is to set everything up. Basically right now we are in the Create Wealth from Nothing group. Pretty much everything you need is right here. So what you want to do is click on the Files tab at the top of the page, and that's going to take you to basically a list of all the different documents we have. Really, in order to use your system on a daily basis, right here, ads to get you leads, is where I have a list of, as of right now, there's 5 ads there. Just so you know, I will be adding ads on a consistent basis. What you want to do is post these ads to the groups that you've recently asked to join. And if you haven't done so already, right here in this document, which is labeled Ask to Join These Groups, we have a list of over 300 different groups that you can ask to be a part of. And once you're accepted to them, your exposure on Facebook will literally be to millions of people. So basically what you want to do is click on ads that get you leads. And here's a list of the different ads. What I've done, and what I suggest you do as well, is rather than having to bounce back and forth between everything, I would recommend that you just copy these ads and save them in a Word document, which I have here. So basically, I have those 5 ads copied here, and what I've done is at the bottom of each ad, I've put my link for my Create Wealth from Nothing system. So what you should do as well is just go ahead and put your link at the bottom. That way, whenever someone reads the ad and it says check out this app to find out how, they click on your link to your system. So really all you need to do at this point is copy the ads, and then take that ad and put it into your Cloud9 system. Right now I'm in Cloud9, and I'm under the Post to All part. On the top toolbar across the top of Cloud9 connection, one of your options is Post to All, and that's where we're at right now. And just paste that ad into the message box. So now we've got that ad ready to go. And what you want to do whenever you're using Cloud9 is you want to schedule your first ad out about 15 to 20 minutes after the current time. So for example, here it's actually about 10:26. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule this ad for about 10:41, and then just click done. Then what you want to do is come down and select the groups that you want to send it to. Be sure to only send your ads to no more than 30 groups at a time. I actually recommend doing somewhere between 25 and 28. So I'm actually just going to stop right there. So I'll also make a mental note that the next ad that I'm going to post an hour from now, I'm going to start with this particular group. And at that point, basically all you need to do is come up and click schedule. And as you can see, this post has successfully been scheduled to post to those groups that I just selected. So now at this point what you can do, and I suggest mixing up your ads. Again, I have all my ads over here ready to go. So I just grab the next ad, copy it, come back to Cloud9, post the ad, schedule the post. Now I scheduled my last post for 10:41. So basically what I'll do now is I'll schedule it for about, I'll do 11:43 just to be safe. So I'll do it a little bit over an hour out. Click done. The last group that I scheduled to or I need to schedule to now is this one. And I just do my next round of groups I'm going to send this particular ad to. And as you go through, make sure that you're not try not to post to groups that you're a part of that don't allow you to post to them. Like, for example, this is the Create Wealth from Nothing group. It's really not going to be necessary to post your ad to it anyways. Network Marketing VT Mastermind group. Most of us are a part of Network Marketing VT. They're really not going to want you to post to it. So, try to be mindful of where you're posting to. A lot of these groups, people add me to a lot of groups that I know they don't want me to post them to. I'm going to go ahead and stop there. So now my next round of ads, I'm going to start right here because I know 2x2 Team Build doesn't want me to post to it. So I'll start with this one. And again, just come up to the top. You click on Schedule your post. Now that ad has successfully been scheduled to post basically a little over an hour from now to all of those groups. So basically what I would do continuing forward is I would schedule my posts just like I'm showing you now, about an hour apart to roughly 25 to 28 groups at a time, posting a different message each time. And literally I would schedule 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's just what I recommend. Everyone asks me how I was able to put so many people on my team in my first, really any time. The thing that I do that most people don't is I take the time to schedule my ads. If you're not posting your ads, no one's going to know what you're offering. So schedule your ads. So basically what ends up happening now is you're going to post your ads out into all of these different groups. I'm just going to click on the group for example. So you have all of these people posting the ads. Actually, my ad already came out, so I'm surprised it actually went out already, but this is my ad. I just scheduled this ad with Cloud9. That's the first ad that I put out. So basically, people are going to see this ad, and they're going to click on this link. Now, I'm not actually going to click on it right now, but prospects, people do want to know how to get free leads. It's something that everybody in this industry absolutely wants and needs, is free leads. So people will click on my link, and what will end up happening is they'll watch the presentation, and what I'll see in my back office, and you can go to your back office for this too, is under step number, my back office is a little different looking than yours, but whenever you go to your back office, you'll be able to go under the Facebook follow-up. So basically what you do at this point is you can click on Facebook follow-up. Whoops. And it's going to show me all of the people who have come and watched my presentation. So for example, I can go Stacy Lewis. Okay, she recently watched the presentation. What you want to do at this point is send her a message. So you click on her profile, it's going to go to her. Again, back in the Cloud9 group, which I'll go back to it real quick. And this is something else that you could probably save in your Word document. But I have a suggested message for you to send to everyone who has watched your presentation. So under step 3 on using the system, scroll down. Here's the suggested message that I would suggest that you send. So basically just copy this. I'm actually going to save it right here in my Word document right now. That way I have it ready moving forward. And I'll go back to Stacy. I'm going to send Stacy a message. I'm just going to tighten it up a little bit. Obviously, right now with the template of the message, you're going to want to edit it. You're not going to want to send first and last name. And you don't want to say hey name. I'm sure Stacy wants to be called who she is. Okay, so basically I got the message ready to go, and basically this message is offering a lot of stuff that I offer to intrigue and compel Stacy to come and join the group. So we have the links for our group here, and just click send. The message was sent, and basically what I would do moving forward at this point is I would then check off the box. Whoops. Check off the box that I sent Stacy the message, and I would go to the next person and do the same thing over and over. I mean, typically on a given day, you know, hopefully you'll have anywhere between 2 and 7 or 8 leads. All you have to do is send them that message, and then moving forward, what you want to do is keep an eye on the Create Wealth from Nothing group. So if you just sent Stacy a message today, and suddenly you see that Stacy has been welcomed into the group, what you want to do is follow up with her. So now you sent Stacy the message, and I welcome Stacy into the group. Connect with her, help her get going, help her set up her system as well. And basically what will end up happening is along the way, she'll be introduced to our opportunities that we currently have. Currently we're part of the 2010 Blessings community and Network Marketing VT. And Stacy will probably end up joining one of those opportunities under your team. So that's one of the ways that you start making money. And that's really it, you guys. It's that simple to use the system. It's not something that you have. I mean, literally, to use the system on a daily basis, you post the ads and you follow up with your leads. That's it. Everything else pretty much takes care of itself. Your team will start to grow, and 30 minutes a day, and you're on your way. If you have any questions, let me know. You can send me a message directly, and I'll help you in any way I can. All right, you guys, have a good day.